Unraveling the Promise. Give your assurance. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that sounds formal but is deeply woven into everyday conversations and promises: give your assurance. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of the nuances of English communication. So, let's get started and unlock the full meaning and usage of give your assurance. Give your assurance might seem straightforward at first glance, but there's more to it than meets the eye. To give, in this context, means to offer or provide something. Assurance refers to a promise or statement made with confidence about a future event or behavior. When combined, these words form a powerful expression used to convey a strong promise or guarantee about something. This phrase is particularly useful in both formal and informal settings, though its usage tends to lean more towards formal or semi-formal conversations. Here are some scenarios where it might appear. In professional contexts, when a manager promises to address an issue or when a company guarantees the quality of their product. In personal relationships, when reassuring a friend or family member that you will support them or fulfill a specific commitment. In public speaking or writing, politicians or public figures often use this phrase to make commitments to their audience or constituents. The key to using give your assurance effectively is to back it up with actions, as it's a phrase that carries weight and expectations. To fully grasp how to use give your assurance, let's look at some examples. In a business meeting, I give you my assurance that we will meet our project deadline without compromising on quality. During a family discussion, I give you my assurance that I will be there for you during your surgery. In a customer service situation, we give our assurance that any defects will be addressed and resolved within 48 hours. These examples show the versatility and strength of the phrase in conveying commitment and reliability. Understanding and using the phrase, give your assurance, can significantly impact how your promises are perceived. It adds a layer of seriousness and commitment to your words, making them not just promises, but guarantees. We hope this video has shed light on this powerful expression, helping you communicate more effectively and confidently in English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Don't forget to give your assurance to someone today. It might be the reassurance they need.